Hey, welcome to the final lesson of the course. Now we have everything that we are going to need, so all we have to do now is to render this file. But first, let me show you that you can do plenty of stuff before rendering. You can create, if you want to add maybe, I don't know, a star, for example. And this star, we can set it to 5 points. And we can take one of the capsules and set the spline wrap and change the spline to the star, and we will have this. And you can set the same color. You can create a lot of things. In this case, I want to create 2 lines here below the Happy New Year. So I'm going to move the camera a little bit to the back, and I'm going to grab my Spline Tool, and I'm just going to create a simple spline like this. I'm going to take one of the capsules and set this as a spline. And now I'm going to set the same material, and I'm going to fix the height of this. Now I'm going to copy all of this and create a duplicate and move it a little bit to the right. Now let's see how it looks on the live viewer. Excellent. We can maybe zoom in a little bit, just like this. Alright, now we're set to render this. We can close this now. Go to render, edit render settings. This size is good. Now, as it is an animation, make sure that you have here on frame range, you have all frames selected so that we can render from 0 to 90. Now, go to save and make sure that you don't save it as a TIFF, but as an MP4 or if you have any other video file. Now that you have this, close this, go to render, add to render queue, and just hit play. Now let's skip ahead and I will show you how to create a GIF on Photoshop. Now here on Photoshop we're going to open the file that we just rendered, and it will open as a video, of course. We hit play, you can see that we have the video here, but it gets to a point, to the end, to the 19th frame. So all we have to do is to go to File, Export, and Save for Web, and select GIF, and make sure that on looping options it's on forever. Let's see how it looks. And now it's going on forever as a GIF. Now all you have to do is to save the file, and that's it. That's how you create a GIF. So as you can see, it's really simple to create a pretty nice animation as this one. Just using the splines from Illustrator, some capsules, and well, some good lighting and materials. So it's pretty cool stuff, and I hope that you enjoyed this. And Remember that if you have any doubt, you can place the question on the discussion board, and of course try to upload your own projects. Hope that you enjoyed the course and it was really fun to create, and we'll see you on another course, and of course Happy New Year.